Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky will be making a very delicious and enjoyable Pakistani dish called chapli kebab. Chapli kebabs are flattened patties made from minced meat and coarsely ground spices. They are traditionally cooked on giant skillets in animal fat and are fully packed with flavor. No wonder then that it is truly called the king of all kebabs. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for preparing the chapli kebab. Please note that the finely ground meat must contain at least 20 to 25% fat. The method. Let's begin by squeezing out the onion juice. So use a muslin cloth to squeeze out the excess water from the finely chopped onions and discard that water. Now let's prepare the chapli kebab mixture. So add the finely ground mince, the finely chopped onions, the garlic paste, ginger paste, carom seeds also known as ajwain, cumin seed powder, garam masala powder, crushed coriander seeds, black pepper powder, chili flakes, amchur powder also known as mango powder, salt, and the lemon juice to a large mixing bowl. Then add in the finely chopped green chilies, the fresh green coriander, the finely chopped mint leaves, the tomatoes, the plain flour, oil, and lastly the egg to the same mixing bowl. Mix all the ingredients very well until they are well combined. Remember, we are using finely ground minced meat, which contains at least 20 to 25% fat. Now cover with cling film and marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And remember, the longer you marinate, the better. You can also do an optional step, that is, before making the chapli kebabs, you could do a taste test. So take a small portion of the mixture and fry it in oil. Taste and adjust the salt and other ingredients to your liking. Now let's shape the chapli kebabs. So oil your hands, take a portion of the mixture and shape it into a patty. Place the patty on a piece of greaseproof paper, then flatten, give it a nice round shape, and set it aside. Similarly, repeat the previous step with the remaining mixture, that is oil hands, take a portion, shape it into a patty, place it on a piece of greaseproof paper, flatten, give it a nice round shape and set it aside. This is an optional step. You could choose to freeze the kebabs. So arrange the kebabs, keeping them separate and freeze them. When nicely frozen, transfer to a freezer bag and store them in the freezer until it's needed. But remember, this is an optional step. Let's fry the chapli kebabs. So heat oil in the frying pan and fry the kebabs on medium heat. Remember, do not put in too much oil. Then cook on both sides until both sides are golden brown. Then remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Again, repeat the previous step and fry the rest of the patties. That is, slide the patties in and fry on both sides until both sides are golden brown. Then remove and drain them on the kitchen towel. Lastly, transfer to a serving plate and serve with pulao rice, naan, pita bread or burger buns, or you can also serve them on their own with fresh salad and dips. And there you have it, the king of all kebabs, the chapli kebab. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.